40. Team fouls. 14 fouls for BG's. Team fouls. Number 11, yes sir. 46-40. Sila siya to Jones. Jones all the way. Yes sir. 46-42.
Pag-ikatrap ng tao dito.
Number 25, Sen Pao. 14 seconds to shoot. Time. 10 seconds to shoot. Jao. High to shoot. Ganyan mo, wala. 14 seconds, ganyan mo. 48. Who's the foul number?
Palit
25.
Buhay pa naman! Buhay pa na! Tayo pa eh!
Alak lang yan.
Wala na! Wala na!
Sab. Kaya daw eh. Nakrak.
Hindi pala ba sa tuka?
Lumusot eh.
Penalty na ito ang BG's, ha?
Ano yung score? Lamang apat. Begins.
Dear Dragon players,
Isa lang.
time for rebound. Jump steal. 40 seconds. Sila siya. Number 16, 30 seconds, players. Number 21 for 27 seconds, squad number 16.
Nice game. Sab daw.
Penalty, both team.
Nice game.
27 seconds.
Sana lang itlog na iwan. Labas na yan.
49, 42. 47 seconds remaining time. Number 28. 22 seconds. Who's correct? Nicole ba?
Nakalaksan, matatlo agad.
Number 23. 22 seconds. Players.
Ito ba yun?
Kalahati lang, kalahati!
Ayaw patalo eh.
20 seconds.
Ikot!
Time to shoot. 13 seconds.
Sorry. Sorry. Sino yun?
Foul number 15. 11 seconds, players.
Late ka kasi. Tawagin mo si Boss Rob. Rob.
8 seconds. Mr. Yo for 3.
Rob.
2 seconds. And once again, congratulations, team BG's.
Winning team. Grabe talaga si Talo.
Best player number
Kuya Paul.
number 2, Guillermo for best player.
Yung butiki doon, kunin mo kanina. Yung butiki, kunin mo doon. Okay guys.